When the eagle comes into your life, it's asking you to work with the following frequencies: imperial power, victory, vision, rising above, protection, wisdom, wealth, swiftness, strength, soaring, spirituality, doorway to spirit. You are on a spiritual journey beyond the sky. Let go of the past and soar. You are guided by the winds of spirit. Your wisdom inspires the world. The eagle as totem appears to those who have begun their spiritual journey to mastery and personal illumination. To have this majestic bird fly into your life is a portent of protection and guidance. Eagle medicine allows one to have the gift of keen sight, knowing, and a greater perspective. Eagle is said to carry prayers and request to the Great Spirit and bring back the answers and wisdom that are needed. Eagle people know how to ride the wind and take advantage of opportunities in the uplifting currents of life. Eagle people travel freely between the two worlds of earth and sky, matter and spirit. If eagle has recently become your totem, a new vision will open and a new beginning emerge. You will understand situations with sharp discernment and be gifted with sight, swiftness, and precision. To accept this totem is to embrace heightened spiritual growth. With eagle as totem, you will become a master of creative forces in the world and soar among the great ones. Questions for you to reflect upon. Have you abandoned the connection to your mastery? Return to humility. Are your wings constrained by others' expectation? Break free. It is not your nature to live earth-bound. Look up. The sky awaits. Let no one